Welcome back, everybody. It's good to be back on Pressure Crisp. Today we're going to be reviewing the Ninja PossibleCooker. It's the one with the thermometer. It's the 11-in-1 model. You guys can see that right here. So we're just going to do a general overview of it. On the box it says custom temperature control, which the buttons are there, which I'll go over. Excuse me. It's a powerful 1400 watt searing non-stick ceramic coating. It says it's dishwasher safe lid, pot, spoon, and steam rack that comes with it. It has the thermal surround technology, 1400 watt heating element that heats cooking surfaces to surround food for faster cooking. The 11-in-1 features is slow cook, sear, saute, bake, braise, proof, steam, rice, pasta, oats, keep warm, and sous vide. And the bonus thermometer. So that's what makes this one a little bit different. It is 8.5 quart capacity, has a glass lid, and a multifunctional utensil. So I'm gonna get the box out of the way. So I just want to show you what the Ninja Foodi PossibleCooker came with, excuse me. It says it came with this rack. This is a bonus item rack. It also comes with this ladle. It's got teeth here. And yeah, it's like a spoon / ladle. Also a glass top, just like this. I noticed it's different from the last one. It's got an air hole and then these two other holes too. But I think that's for the thermometer to go through on there. The pot, so here it is, and it says handles get hot. But I think there's like silicone items you can get for that. And here's the nice Ninja. The color's fantastic. I just hope it holds up like for nicks and stuff. Came with this thermometer, and I think it hooks over here somewhere, which I'll show you. I am going to go ahead and turn it on and just show you the features. So there's the slow cook, high. How do you do low? Let me see. There we go. So they use these buttons to do high and low. Then sear, saute. I like this. This is fantastic. So you can adjust your temperature for the heat amount that you want. So like, I'm just trying to think, like if you're making scrambled eggs or something, you want it at a certain temperature, or if you're making French toast or something, you want it at a different temperature, or if you want high heat, like to sear beef and stuff, you want that even like a higher temperature. You want that way up on 400. So that's pretty neat. Also has bake. Goes down to 250, which is cool. It goes up to 400. Braise. Proof. So proof is for like if you want to proof bread and stuff. Either make your own bread or you can actually buy bread at the store. You can just put in there to proof it. And the sous vide, that's something I'm going to explore once I get a vacuum sealer. And then steam. You want to try that like with broccoli and stuff. Hold on, I gotta get over there. I can't see. How do you get over there? Oh, okay, I see. So you can't turn it counterclockwise to get over there. You have to go to the right, go all the way up to the top and then go over. There's steam, there's rice, pasta, oats, and keep warm function, which will be awesome because I really want to make that buffalo chicken dip in there. And then here's the time and doneness, which is kind of cool. Let me go on this side. So here's the thermometer. Let me turn this to the side. It's got a plug-in right here. Excuse me, I'm catching a cold, everybody. Hang on, I can't see either here. Okay, cool, there it is right there. So we're just gonna plug that in, and we're just gonna take it out. And here we go. I'm not sure if you guys can see this. Let me just go see. No, you can't see. So up here, I'm just going to take you for a little. So this is where the thermometer goes in, and it goes into the thickest part of the meat. Except I'm looking at the picture for the fish. You're going to have to actually feed it in this way to do like fish, and that's. I do wish they put like a little indentation here to, so you could feed the thermometer in there. So I'm going to go ahead and take this out. So just want you guys to see the inside of the pot. just like that, and it's squawking at me because I removed the pot slash bowl. I'll close that back up again. So the main differences, I think, is this temperature. I love this temperature control here. I really, really like that. So I think today, I just want to show you, it came with the user guide. Of course, just, you know, common sense, don't submerge this unit into water. You can take this out and wash it. Just keep that in mind. Also, it looks like on the back side, this is a vent, so I probably wouldn't block that because heat's going to come out. And the color is quite nice. I really, really like it. And it came with recipe book, similar to the other recipe book.